Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can pin something to your Wix.com website. That means that, for example, this logo in this menu is pinned no matter where I'm scrolling on the website right now. And I'm going to teach you how to add that. So I'm going to teach how to add a social bar that's going to stay on the side here. And I'm going to show you how to add it back to the top button that's going to appear no matter where you are on the website. So it's not only down in the corner, but it's going to show if you're here in the middle of the website and you simply want to head back to the top of the website. So let's get into it. So to add a social media bar, simply go over here and add elements, go to social and go to social bar here. From here, choose whatever design you like. I'm going to choose this one as I think it suits the website, and I'm going to make it vertical here. So click on layout and click vertical. Simply drag it over to the side. Actually, it doesn't matter, just leave it here. And now to actually stick it to the right hand side, because you can see right now when I'm scrolling, it's just staying here. So just right click on it and click pin to screen. From here, choose an appropriate location where the blue bar shows up. For example, I want it on my right hand side here. Click here, and now it's going to scroll with the website. So that's how you can add some social media content or social media links very easily. But if you wanted to add, for example, let's say a back to the top button, you can see we have one right here that I've already pre-made. You need to do the exact same thing where you need to right click on it and click pin to screen. Now I'm going to choose the bottom right corner here and I'm going to click cross. And right now, if I right click on it, you can see that it's going to show on all pages here. That means no matter if I'm on the home page or on the shop page, product page, this back to the top button is going to appear on all sides. And as you can see, when I right click here, that is not toggled on. So to actually apply this feature where the social media bar is going to be there on all sides of your website, simply toggle this little thing on here. And then it's going to be pinned here when you scroll, and it's going to appear on all your sites. And let's just preview that for a second so that you can see that it actually works. So right here we have the top bottom and we have the social media bar. And if I go on the About Us page, this is a random page, and I scroll down, the same features appear, and the same on the shop page. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can add a pin to the Wix.com features and elements on your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and I'll try my best to answer them in a video or in a comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.